Hello class, welcome to the Clarified Better Academy. In this video we will learn about the different internal cooking temperatures of meat. In the previous video, Jay asked me if all the meat have different internal cooking temperature. I had promised to explain it to him today in detail. Safe steps in food handling, cooking, and storage are essential in preventing foodborne illness. Why do you feel we need to cook food to certain temperature?
To kill all the harmful bacteria.
Yes, you are right. Cooking can kill certain harmful bacteria. Every meat has different bacteria that dies at different temperature. That is the reason we have to cook different meat at different temperature. You have to cook chicken and other poultry till it reaches 74 degrees Celsius or 166 degrees Fahrenheit. Egg till 71 degrees Celsius or 161 degrees Fahrenheit. Lamb, beef, pork or other red meat till 62 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Seafood should also be cooked till 62 degrees Celsius. So who would like to recap what we just learned? Yes, please, tell the class what you learned.
Meat should be cooked properly so that all bacteria dies. We must cook chicken till 74 degrees Celsius, egg till 71 degree, fish till 63 degrees Celsius.
We must also use a properly calibrated thermometer like you mentioned in the last video so that the reading is correct.
Yes, absolutely. I am happy to see that you have really understood the class from yesterday, Jay. And in case you have not seen that video yet, do click the link above this and go see that video. Before you go, did you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification? If not, do it, go ahead and press it. And do keep visiting clarifiedbetter.com to keep learning.